Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So Aslam Manzoor here. In this video we are going to link our JustCall system to our with GoHighLevel for dial calls and send SMS or email as well. And we can send contacts from GoHighLevel to JustCall, and we can do automatically calls and track them in a GoHighLevel as well. So let me dive in video without wasting time. So I have already logged into my JustCall account. So simply we can go to here in integrations, and after that I can search here high level, and here you can see we have high level. Just simply click on it, and we can put our emails and name, and simply you can put your GoHighLevel emails and domain if you have. So I just put it, I just start integrations. So here we have integrations, and these are all permission we need for message read, for writes, access, contact access, opportunity access, location, target. These all things we need. I just simply click on the next button, and here you see we can select our account. Right now I'm going to select this sub account, and after that we can just say user is not found. So simply we have link with this one with sub account of GoHighLevel. Just simply press the next button after putting our information. So let's configure it. Just press this configure button. So next screen is this one. So it's up to you, or whatever you want to open and whatever you want to use for your system. So for example, we can say disable log of calls recordings link into details. We can say we cannot enable it. We can make it off. Long transcription for incoming voice call. I can off these all by default. These all are useful. We just save it, and after that, so right now our GoHighLevel account is linked with our JustCall, and we will do next step. So after linking, we just simply go to automations. We will create automations, how it's work on a backend. So simply I just select send the action, and here we can say that contacts, whatever you trigger you want. For example, we will say contact add, contact change, or contact created, whatever you want to add filter, add trigger, you can add it. For example, we will assign to the user, and we will say changed when user is changed. So we can we can use JustCall to call them and SMS them. And JustCall is link. I just simply say contact phone number and select this phone number. Body input that what you want to ask to your clients, or what things you want to discuss with your employee, or whatever you can put here. Just simply I'm going to say this is test. So that action is done. Once contact is changed, then automatically we will do SMS and call, and also we can set all things here. That's just simple, and after that you can set all things in the next step. What the message and whatever you can we can send. I can show you here as well. Simply we can go to the JustCall, and here you can see whatever we can do. Just simply go to the logs, and here you can see all data for messages, for calls as well, and we can see all calls and all SMS and all tags here when all things are ready to go in your CRM. That's how you can link your GoHighLevel. And by the way, if you need any help with the GoHighLevel, or you want to link with it, go to leadsflex.com and search the article JustCall with the GoHighLevel integration. Is a simple tutorial. I have explained in this article as well, step by step. And also another thing is that if you need any GoHighLevel services, simply go to leadsflex.com, book your free consultation, and I will jump with you on a call, and I will guide you step by step how you can link your JustCall with the GoHighLevel with all automations, and each and everything we can make automate.